I was hesitant about these U-shaped AC units at first, but when I was sent this one for my feedback, I completely changed my mind about them. So first of all, you don't have half of your window blocked, which is honestly one of my biggest complaints with regular window ACs. So whoever came up with this U-shaped design was seriously thinking ahead. Installation was so much easier than I expected. Everything needed comes in the box, and once it's secured in the window, you're pretty much good to go. One thing I really like is that you can still open the window even after it's installed. You still get natural light, fresh air when you want it, and it doesn't make the whole window feel completely unusable like traditional units do. So this particular unit is a 12,000 BTU window AC, and it cools spaces up to about 550 square feet. So it works really well for bedrooms, living rooms, apartments, or even a home office. We've already had a few warmer days here, and this thing cools the room down surprisingly fast. It also has a bunch of different modes built in, including cool mode, fan mode, dry mode, sleep mode, and even an energy saver option. There are 3 fan speeds, so you can adjust it depending on how cold you want the room or how much airflow you like. And the noise level is actually impressive. So since the compressor sits outside the window, it's way quieter than older window ACs. It's more of a soft background sound instead of that loud, constant rattling. Overall, if you have been curious about these U-shaped AC units, but just weren't sure if they were worth trying, I totally get it because I felt the same way. But after using this one, I honestly don't think I'd want to go back to a regular window AC again. So definitely recommend.